Subscribe to Shiksha Online and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello everyone, this is CS Ganesh Juneja and today we are going to cover the topic debentures. In this, we are going to cover the topics like features of debentures, classes of debentures, debentures with voting rights not to be issued, issues of debentures at discount, debentures and debenture stock, debenture trust deed, appointment and duties of debenture trustees, liability of company to create security and debenture redemption, liabilities of trustees for debenture holders, remedies of debenture holders, creation of charges, fixed and floating charges, and finally new financial instruments. Now, first of all, what are debentures? Debentures are securities used by the company and issued to the general public in the form of debt instruments which acknowledge a debt. Features of debentures. Debentures may be secured or unsecured. Debentures shall carry certain rate of interest. It may be fixed or it may be fluctuating. Debenture sometimes are secured, that is, they are backed by certain assets, or they may be unsecured. Debentures are these days completely redeemable. Irredeemable debentures are not issued. Certain debentures are bearer debentures which are freely transferable by delivery, but certain debentures are registered debentures which are registered with the companies. Further, certain debentures are convertible into equity shares in certain amount of time, but certain debentures may be redeemed as debentures only. Now, coming on to the next topic, classes of debentures. First of all, negotiability. When some debentures are registered and the debenture holders' names are registered with the company, those debentures are known as registered debentures. But whereas the company issues bearer debentures which are freely transferable by mere delivery, such debentures are known as negotiable debentures. In this type of debenture, the investor is not required to go to the company and get its name entered into the register of debenture holders. That is, they are freely negotiable. Second class is security. Security or secured debentures. When some debentures are backed by certain assets or mortgage-backed debentures, those debentures are known as secured debentures. Whereas some debentures which are not backed by any security, those debentures are known as unsecured debentures. Next class of debenture is permanence. Permanence means redeemable or irredeemable. Normally, debentures are redeemable within a span of 10 years. Irredeemable debentures are specially issued by the specific approval of central government, which are specifically barred by law otherwise. These debentures are known as irredeemable debentures. That debenture can be held by the company till the event of winding up or till the certain event as mentioned in the prospectus issued to the public. Next type of debenture is convertible debenture or convertibility class. The convertible debentures are those debentures which are convertible into equity shares of the company at a certain specified period of time. Whereas non-convertible debentures are issued as debentures and redeemed as debentures only. The last type of class is priority. Priority means the redemption of certain debentures earlier than the other debentures. In case of secured debentures, the debentures are redeemed earlier than the debentures which are unsecured debentures. That is, secured debentures have the priority regarding the redemption of them as compared to the unsecured debentures. Now, moving on to the next topic, debentures with voting rights not to be issued. As per section 71 subsection 2 of the Companies Act 2013, it is specifically barred that the debentures with voting rights cannot be issued. Only equity shares have voting rights and preference shares can earn voting rights, but debentures or any type of debt instrument does not have any voting right, and the prospectus cannot mention them with voting rights. Coming on to the next topic, issues of debentures at discount.